afternoon, good evening, and good day, wherever part of the world you are now. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Once again, welcome back. Isi-share ko sa inyo. And ang isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon is another Easter celebration sa barko. Since na naka-onboard ako sa multicultural ship, iba-iba yung lahi namin, iba-iba din yung religion, and iba-iba rin yung type ng celebration. Like, kung manonotice nyo last week, I uploaded one Easter celebration video para sa mga Christian yon. And like I said, I am on board of a multicultural ship. Iba-iba din yung mga paniniwala. Meron kami mga kasamang mga Christian Orthodox, and hindi kasabay ng celebration namin ang celebration nila. And dito sa barko, palagi namin pinapromote yung mutual respect na tinatawag. Kahit iba-iba kami ng paniniwala, pero naniniwala kami na may Diyos. Yun lang ang isang paniniwala namin. And we respect their religious belief. And nagsiselebrate din kami as one. Kaya today, we are going to celebrate a Christian Orthodox. And ipapakita ko sa inyo for this video yung naging celebration namin. Nagkaroon kami ng konting salo-salo ulit. Magkakasama kami. Kahit saan mang panig ng mundo kami nang galing, pag nasa barko kami, we work as one, na parang isang pamilya. Kaya join me for this video. Panoorin natin na sabay-sabay. Siyempre, magsisimula yung celebration dito sa kusina. Preparation, busy yung ating mga galing na kusinero para sa celebration mamaya ng Easter Sunday ng mga Orthodox, ng Christian Orthodox. Makita mo yung poging chipcook namin, no? Yun, no? Oh, busy oh. This day, so we try to repeat, copy paste. Yeah, your last Sunday. So everything same. Just
we continue celebrating. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now it's clear. Happy Easter, yeah.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
See?
Happy Easter.
I called you just to be with us. So when is Sunday?
Service coming
Slowly, huh? Okay. That again, that? Good. Oh, then it's best, yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
Yeah, guys. Shout out. Shout out. Was out ba? Was out ba? Puso doon. Awas na.
Wasabi, yeah?
Wasabi.
No wasabi this time.
No.
Okay, good.
Where is the lapel?
So, you...
Wala dyan. Dito, wala dyan yung isa.
Pero, what are you making fun of me?
This is the food I about to eat today.
Pero okay siya sa akin. Hindi siya ako sa akin.
Ayun guys, nakita niyo yung sinare kong video. And dito natin napapatunayan na saan mang panig ng mundo tayo nang galing, once na malayo tayo sa family nagsama-sama katulad ng barkong to, para na rin kami ang pamilya dito, and we work as one. Kaya gano'n na lang, kita-kits na lang tayo sa mga future adventure ko dito sa barko. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, once again, just click the subscribe button down below. Pakisama nyo na notification bell as well the share button para mas marami tayong ma-inspire na tao. And I grab again the opportunity to say shout out dun sa lahat ng subscriber ko na nanatiling nakapollow, nakasupport, nakasubscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, and my salute to each and everyone.